Hello friends, today we're going to talk about Python programming and its conditional program structure, while loop, break and continue. So let's start on hands-on. So new then Python file, for example demo.py as a extension. So let's take some points. And then let's display it, print points. And see if I press enter and then the error gone. Now if we run it, so it's showing this output like as we create a list of points, and then it's gonna display it here. Let's make a GPA calculator and we write number of cores equal to 0 and total points total points is also 0. False. Make it capital letter. False. Now here we write in the while loop, while not done, means while not false. Better we write done. Then what's gonna happen? Print points. Sorry, here is an error. We need to make it a indentation, and that's the structure of the Python programming. And we need a colon here. Now means in C# or in like Java, here we need an parenthesis, but here we just need indentation, so we can consider like it is an while block. Grade equal to integer, it will be an integer, then input enter your grade, and then while it is grade, now we're gonna enter into if-else conditions, like if grade grade equal to 0, then done true, done. We have to make it as an conditional. Then let's go this way. if grade grade not in points, not in points, print unknown grade being ignored. Let's make it like different type of quotation. If we start with double quotation, then here single quotation. Format great, then else else what's happen, num course plus equal to 1, and then total number of points plus equal to grade. So now let's run the program. See here what's going to happen. Like if we press 0, then it will be discontinue and then is out of the while loop. Okay, and if we press not in grade, so here we have to enter like 4 5 4 3 2 1. So for example, if we press 7, then what is 7? Unknown grade 7. See here, double quotation 7 being ignored. Okay, and then again enter the grade. So if we write 4 and then it's taking, even it's take 5, oh sorry, we press enter. So let's run it again. Then okay, now if we press enter, 5 enter, 3 enter, 2 enter, press 1 enter, and then if we say now we like to exit, like press 0, now it's showing our GPA, like the GPA is this one. Okay, so what's happened when we enter any number? So, so this is our while loop. Okay, this is our while loop. The while loop will be break or it's discontinue while we press 0 according to our coding. Okay, you can come up with different type of coding, then it's perfectly okay. Now here, so as long as for these two lines, as long as your entered grade is not match with this one, not in points, then it will be generating an error message. Otherwise, what's going on? The course number is added, points also, GPA points also added, and it's showing you for your confirmation like it's going to add it. It's not that much important. So here in Python, this is the quotation marks. So if you don't need something important, then you can put it like this way, and then it's not showing. So now, oh sorry, we need it here. Like if you don't like to print it, then press it like this way, then it's no more showing this one, and then it's okay. Okay, now we already run this program and we see the output is perfectly okay. Now for example, you want like if if you entered a grade which is not in here, then it will be, I mean, break. It will break. Now let's see and run the program. Before it's keep giving this error and again allow us to enter the grade, but here what's going on? For example, if we press 7 and press enter, then it will be exit the loop. See, without any other error, just is breakdown and is our program is done. Okay. Again, if we comment it out and then again if we run it and see, if we press 7, then what's going on? And this is unknown grade and again enter your grade. Okay, now if I press 6, again unknown grade 6. Now if I press enter, then it's no more unknown grade, it's the known grade. Okay, so that is, and this is like a simple arithmetic operation like total points by total scores, then we got our final score, GPA score. Okay, and now I like to add another simple program here. For example, for this one is here, it's not important anything, just delete it anyway. It's a new program, enter your age, and this one in fact like your this is an application, or this coding is for find out what is your target to fat burning heart rate. So this is some normal arithmetic operation, so let's do it. So for example, enter your grade 0, you are not like to find out your GPA. Now let's find out the heart rate. So enter your age. For example, your age is 31, then your target of fat burning heart rate is this one. This simple things, but notice that what we discuss about while loop, we discuss about if else condition, we discuss about the program structure, and conditionals, that sort of stuff. So thank you friends, see you in next video.